Have you ever walked into a city and immediately felt stressed but had no idea why? Or sat in a small cafe lined square and felt your shoulders drop? That wasn't your imagination. That was urban design working on your brain. Today we're diving into the fascinating and sometimes terrifying world of urban psychology. This isn't just about how cities look, it's about how they feel, deep in your nervous system. Let's explore how cities can make you feel lonely, creative, trusting, or chronically stressed, all based on their shape. Welcome to UrbanDecode. This is the psychology of cities and how design shapes your mind. Let's start with stress, the silence epidemic of modern life. When cities are poorly designed, they overstimulate us. Loud cars, harsh materials, massive empty spaces, endless surveillance, but urban stress isn't always obvious. According to psychologist Colin Ellard, even walking past a blank wall for 3 minutes increases your heart rate and lowers your mood. The brain is constantly scanning for stimulation. If it finds nothing, it panics. That's why urban voids, big life-face roads, monolithic office blocks, or empty plazas feel uncomfortable. Now pair that with honking horns, construction noise, and traffic fumes, and you've got a recipe for cortisol overload. Cities are supposed to connect us, but when designed poorly, they do the opposite. They isolate and overstimulate us at the same time. Our brains were never built for right angles and 6-lane boulevards. In fact, studies in environmental psychology show that rounded edges, natural textures, and irregular passes make people feel more relaxed, while rectilinear, overscaled, and predictable grids lead to monotony and spatial anxiety. Architect Christopher Alexander wrote, "A good space feels like a room, even if it's outdoors." Human-scale spaces, think alleyways, small plazas, colonnades, give us a visual anchoring. We understand them at eye level, we trust them, they feel safe. By contrast, cities designed from a helicopter, zoning maps, mega highways, top-down master plans strip away those signals. You might be able to drive fast, but your body doesn't feel at home. Here's a wild fact. Loneliness is more common in concentric suburbs than in dense urban neighborhoods. Why? Because casual, spontaneous social contact is a key part of mental health, and good urban design makes those moments happen accidentally. The number one predictor of community trust is not income, it's how often people bump into each other. Charles Montgomery, happycity. Cul-de-sacs might be quiet, but they kill chance encounters. No shops on the corner, no benches, no dog walkers, just isolation wrapped in a vinyl siding. Meanwhile, a walkable street, even if it's louder, gives you micro interactions, shared rituals, and social texture. Design shapes our social wiring. It can nurture loneliness or foster trust. Want to see a brain in action? Look at the sidewalk. Sidewalks are where our social instincts and spatial cognition collide. We make constant decisions. Should I pass on the left? Is this bench safe to sit on? Why is that guy he's walking in a zigzag? Sidewalks allow soft interaction, eye contact, pacing, body language, and chance meetings. They teach us trust, tolerance, and even negotiation. They're not just infrastructure, they're psychological tools. Jane Jacobs famously wrote, "Streets and their sidewalks are the main public places of a city." Cities can manipulate how we experience time and space. A narrow alley feels longer than a wide one. A plaza with layers and trees feels safer than an empty square. Repetition in design can slow down time perception or induce boredom. Design literally bends reality. Some subway systems use color psychology to reduce stress. Blue equals calm. Other cities use curved lighting or gentle ramps to trick the brain into relaxing. Every urban detail is subconsciously perceived, whether we notice it or not. So how do we fix it? Good urban design doesn't mean flashy towers or expensive smart tech. It means building cities that are emotionally intelligent. Here's what that looks like. Mixed-use streets with eyes on the sidewalk, public spaces with edges and corners, materials with warmth, texture, and scale, and designed for people walking, not car driving. We need cities that walking calms you, public space invites you, and architecture tells you you belong here. If you've ever felt exhausted by your city, maybe it's not you, maybe it's design. Your brain was built for contact, texture, soft edges, human scale. And when a city forgets that, it forgets what it means to be human. Urban design isn't just about buildings, it's about psychology. And the cities we build today shapes the mind we'll live with tomorrow.